looking at my John Deere here at the Louisville National Farm Machinery Show in Kentucky, and we're going to go into the Operations Center. On the Operations Center, we recently had a few updates and enhancements to this online set of tools that allows you to see, collaborate, and direct on your operation. Now, one of these enhancements is a prescription writing tool from Agrian. It's going to utilize previous yield information to create a prescription for that next year's planting season. And this tool comes just in time as everyone's getting ready for planting season in 2016. So to access the prescription writing tool, you'll click on the field that you want to create the prescription for. You'll go to the Jobs tab, and what that's going to do is populate the prescription writer up here on the left, or on the upper right, and that's going to pull through to the Agrian tool. Now, Agrian is going to access this information through your My John Deere account, and it's going to prompt you to say, will you allow this access? After you click allow, you'll be moved into the Agrian prescription writing tool, where it pre-populates all the information that we just saw from the Operations Center. So you'll notice your client, farm, and field information comes in, and then additionally, you're going to see previous yield information that you'll write that prescription from. So we're going to take our corn yield from 2016, we'll go on to the next screen, and it's going to pull through that corn yield information again from the Operations Center. And then it will automatically create different management zones for that particular field. You can adjust those zones as you would like, but you can see here on the screen that it has automatically populated 5 management zones. Again, you can change the number of zones that you may want for that operation, and you can adjust what you want those zones to look like. By clicking Update Map, it will repopulate those zones, and then once you have them set the way that you would like, you'll navigate through this next button on the bottom right side of the screen to see what your prescription looks like per the area of the field. Now, you can also add a fertilizer to this prescription as well. A lot of folks are using starter fertilizer in their prescriptions, so we'll go ahead and add a starter fertilizer here, and then you can pre-populate, or you can automatically populate the values that you want per zone. I don't enjoy doing math, so I'm going to let the computer do that for me. When I click on this button, I'll give it a starting value of 1 and an ending value of 2.75. I'll take it to 2 decimal places. And when I click distribute, it's going to distribute that, that value throughout the prescription, throughout those management zones. When I click save, what it's going to do is actually save it to that field back in the Operations Center. Now, from the Operations Center, you can use JD Link Connect to send that information wirelessly out to your machine. So when we're ready for planting season, we can come back out here. We'll see that we've got a prescription already loaded in for seeding, and we can take that file and send it wirelessly out to our machine, and we'll be ready to roll for 2016 planting season.